have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and hope you all are doing well and awesome. And yes, today is a BTS compilation reaction. Today I will be reacting to BTS being chaotic crackheads in award shows. Yes, I'm so looking forward to this. I don't know if this is like all award shows they have been to or specifically to Korea or specific to the American award shows. So let's see. Of course, it's like a fairly long video. It's an 11-minute video. Of course, I will be linking the original video in my description box. So go check it out. And yes, without delaying this, let's start armies. Are we ready? I am not ready. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Ooh, handsome boys.
The next day.
Okay. What are they wearing?
Meanwhile.
I like what Tay is wearing. Jin. Oh my god. Jin is really not the eldest. Look at that. Jungkook is saying, is he the eldest or is he the youngest? Or am I the youngest? Jimin, oh.
멤버볼에 뽀뽀해주기.
Kiss member on the
찍어서 영상 올리세요.
죄송합니다. 늦었으니까 가보겠습니다.
24 hours later.
아니면 지금 이제 뷰씨 나오셨으니까 뷰씨 나오신 김에 두 분이서 볼뽀뽀 영상 찍으세요.
The MC is not letting it go.
아니 무슨 그런 말씀을 하십니까? 안 해요.
원하시잖아요. 원한다고
하니까 안 할 거예요.
Oh wow!
보고
This is why I love Jin. Jin really, you know, in that video where I reacted, all men do is lie, and Jin was the only one who was an exception. Jin is really not afraid to speak his mind, is what now that I've started reacting to a couple of the compilations, I'm getting to know the natures of the boys a bit more. And I feel that Jin really knows how to speak. If he doesn't like something, he'll say he doesn't like it. If he likes something, he will say he likes it. So let me know, guys, armies? I loved it when he said that should I do everything that the people want me to do? I mean, am I supposed to do all the things people want? No, I won't. Yes! I support you, Jin. Absolutely.
할 거예요.
아미가 보고 싶어 미치겠다고.
10 seconds later.
So he'll kiss the award. How many Jin stans wanted to be that trophy? Huh?
아유 시켰잖아.
Jin is awesome.
네, 안녕히 계세요.
The music started playing. I think they also have like a slot for speaking like they do in the Oscars, right? If you exceed your speech after like till that time slot over and above, the music automatically starts playing. Poor Taeyang, poor him.
한번 인사 한 분 한 분씩 해주세요. 네.
네, 우리 팀 아니구나.
네, 자.
네, 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 네, 진입니다.
3MC.
Jin is such a mood.
그래.
Jin is such a mood. What is that in his hand?
아파요. 네. 자, 그래요. 네, 촬영할까요? 네, 정면부터. 네, 편하게. 정면. 네, 하나, 둘, 셋. 자, 오른쪽입니다.
Oh my god! They are so chaotic at awards!
프로듀싱으로 음악적 깊이를 다시 한 바 있죠. 축하합니다.
Oh, like bodyguards! they are playing Yoongi's bodyguard. Why only Yoongi is going on the stage alone? Was it a solo award? Huh? It's a little blurred out. Why are they sitting so far away? Yeah, they're sitting so far away. Oh, they act like they don't need each other.
부신 모습을 많이 봤었는데 오늘은 뭔가 이 패딩. 어이구야. 네.
Sorry, sis.
그리고 이 쿠키가 맛있어서 RMC는 심지어 종이까지 같이 드실 뻔했어요. 뻔했어요. 어? 뜯지도 않고 지금 종이 그대로
Oh, it's a
드시는
fortune cookie. It's a fortune cookie.
저 종이 뱉으셔야 돼요. 종이 뱉으셔야 돼요. 그
Oh my
안에 종이
God.
있어요. 종이 뱉으셔야 돼요. 아, 네. 제가 그때 아직도 얼마나 놀랐었는지 제가 네. 작년에 저랑 드셨어요. 네. 종이도 드셨고 종이 오늘 드지 마세요.
MC상으로 드리겠습니다.
아유, 고맙습니다. 저 대상 받았어요.
Desang?
네, 저는
What does desang mean? Desang. I want desang. What does desang mean?
받았어요.
네, 저는 잘생겼습니다. 네. 2017
As if he doesn't know he's worldwide handsome. He just every second sentence coming out of his mouth is I'm Jin and I'm worldwide handsome.
앞으로 감사합니다. 네.
Are you seeing the difference? When Army shouted from the audience maybe that Jin, you are handsome, he said, yeah, I know I'm worldwide handsome. I'm handsome. And when somebody told Jungkook he's handsome, he got so shy. He's like, yes, little one.
앞으로 감사합니다.
Ah, baby.
될 수가 없죠.
Those moments have become
Yeah, Jin is such a mood. I love his confidence. I love his confidence. I know whatever I have known of Kim Seokjin till now, that I know he's a pretty shy guy, but he does his best to look and be confident and be an extrovert. Maybe by nature, I feel maybe by nature, I think he's still an introvert. But he's very confident of himself. That's what I like. He is one guy that I've seen who sort of truly loves himself. You know, he really enjoys loving himself. So, you know, we should take a lesson or two from Jin.
미국의 한 리서치에서 세계 미남 가수
Taeyang,
1위를
I know you. A lot of armies have told me, and I checked it out myself also, that Taeyang was voted as the most handsome dude.
한 분이 계신데요.
Yeah, Tete. Oui, that's me.
그리고 또
Look at
여기 앉아
you.
계신 모든 분들이 더 아름답고 빛나는 것 같습니다.
얼굴이 빛나는 하나, 둘, 셋. 빛이 나요. 빛이 납니다.
안녕하십니까.
I'm the handsome Jin.
입니다. 감사합니다.
Confused. Why is he going separately? Who is that? Whoever that is. Looks like Taeyang to me. Oh, everybody. He's in checking his phone.
아, 빅히트 엔터테인먼트 좋은 회사입니다. 아, 좋아요.
Oh,
그렇죠.
Mr. Bang.
내려주시면 감사하겠습니다.
Yeah, I think all the members are pretty tall. I mean, if I ever stand in front of them, I'm gonna look like an ant. Honestly.
피디님 축하드리고 꼭
I hope you succeeded.
다녀오세요.
Oh no, they did not. I think they share a very close relationship with Mr. Bang, right? Bangshi Hyuk, Mr. Bangshi Hyuk. That's Hyuk. Please let me know, guys. I really don't want to pronounce it incorrectly. Oh my god. So I think they share a very special bond with him because, of course, for the longest time, Big Hit was only handling BTS. So that was the only group. So I can understand the closeness. Oh my god, they did not just diss him like that. He made a promise.
방시혁 피디님
방시혁.
사랑한다고 하겠습니다. Yo, 힘맹백, I love you.
Yeah, I think armies love you too. Oh, I want to see their reactions. Yoongi is so embarrassed. He is not even looking at the screen. Yoongi is like, I'm not gonna look. Taeyang is like, yeah, that's us. Look at our swag. Homie is always happy. Even these two are shy.
만들어 주셨는데 정말 감사하다는 말씀을 전하고 싶고 그리고 이 뮤직비디오를 봐주신 우리 아미 여러분 정말 감사하고 저희 다음에도 더 멋지게 해서 나올게요. 기대 많이 해주세요.
Please let me know if Jungkook was not there or not there. I think he was there, right?
감사합니다.
3년의 발자취를 돌아보면 한국 대중가의 흐름을 알 수 있는 거 아시죠?
네,
That's
그렇습니다.
Namjoon.
진짜 참 시간이 빠르구나라는 생각이 들었고요.
What did Taeyang see? I like how they are, vibing to the songs and all. Because award shows can go so lengthy, and especially music award shows, because you have the awards, then you have the performances. So good. Oh! I want to watch that. Oh, the do-do-do-do-do. One of my favorite Blackpink songs. Yes!
감사한 말씀.
Taekook, I have to react to that also, I know. Yes, coming up, guys, coming up.
드리고 싶고요.
I love Jin!
노래를 들어주신 많은 분들, 모든 분들과 그리고 실가
가지신 배우분이시죠?
네, 저희
Why is there money on his hands? Makes me very happy to see them happy like this. Jin is, oh my god. This video should be renamed as Jin being a mood in award shows. Seriously. Look at Yoongi's like, I don't know these people. You know how it happens in a friend circle when a couple of our friends starts embarrassing the shit out of us, and you know, we are like, I'm not with them. Yoongi's expression is like that. Oh, that one. All of them are dancing. They're matching the steps. I can't see. Wait, where is Hobie? I can see Namjoon and Yoongi at the back. They are just like, how are you going to be normal people? And all these other four, oh my god, Jin really can give Jungkook a competition, huh? For being the Magne. Wait, somebody wrote in the comments that it's pronounced as Magne, not Magne. Magne. Somebody who's learning Korean, she was nice enough to comment that how it is pronounced. What is he doing? My god. Ah, Jiang is all ready. I'm ready to vibe. I really need a, you know, Yoongi focus video on award shows. He is zoned out. You see, I also noticed Yoongi's expressions throughout. He's zoned out, completely zoned out. Again, Jin. Look at Yoongi. Look at Yoongi. Yoongi's legit sitting there like a rock. Oh wow. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Oh, my stomach. Okay. BTS being total crackheads and award. When are they not crackheads, huh? Tell me. Interviews, they are crackheads. Award shows, they are crackheads. When are any of the compilations of Run BTS that I'm watching, they are crackheads. All the time they are crackheads only. So they shouldn't, this is just their literal, you know, natural self. They are naturally like this, I feel, and it's good. I am so happy, and they're so young. Come on, you are supposed to be like this, fun, energetic in your 20s. I would expect nothing less. I honestly would expect nothing less from them. I mean, a couple of them in their early 20s, couple of them in their late 20s. So 20s are all about having fun. Actually, even 30s are all about having fun. Every age, any age bracket, let me rephrase my statement. Any age bracket, you are supposed to have fun and enjoy life. So I loved it, guys. I feel with each video, each compilation that I'm watching, I feel that I'm getting to know the boys better, and it's making me also so happy, so happy. Armies, thank you. I feel, you know what, I feel like I have literally gotten connected to a new family all of a sudden while I'm interacting with all of you, armies. So thank you so much for supporting. I just want to take this opportunity, like how they do it in award shows. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for being, you know, coming back to the videos and commenting and liking the videos, sharing your thoughts, educating me also about K-pop. I am really grateful, guys. This is something that is so new to me still, but I'm getting to know about this industry and these boys through you guys. So thank you so much. This channel is a very tiny channel, and the fact that you guys are investing your time here with me means a lot to me. I mean, I barely have like maybe 400 subscribers at the moment, because it's been what, 2.5 weeks since I started this channel. And so yes, my OG original family, I am always going to be grateful that you are coming in and watching the videos and liking it and commenting on it, sharing your thoughts, giving me suggestions. So thank you. Sarangeo, I hope I pronounced it correctly. I purple you all armies. Yes, getting to know BTS is really getting to know, like, you know, a family. That is what I got. This is the feeling that I've gotten till now. So yes, I cannot wait to look at more of their compilations, get to know the boys better. Thank you so much for all your suggestions. And yes, that was it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please share in your thoughts on the comment section below as always, and do subscribe if you are a K-pop lover. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.